In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a navigation bar menu in Tableau using buttons and containers. Whether you're new to Tableau or a seasoned user looking to refine your dashboards, this feature can elevate your presentations by making them more interactive and user-friendly. Let's dive into the steps. First things first, you'll want to launch Tableau on your desktop or laptop, ensuring you have the latest version for the best functionality. Having Tableau up and running sets the stage for us to start this creative process. Once Tableau is open, you'll need to connect to a data source. This step is crucial because every visualization that you create in Tableau is grounded on data. You can connect to data sources such as spreadsheets, databases, or any supported datasets. With the data source connected, we're ready to begin crafting our navigation menu. After establishing your data connection, go ahead and add a new blank sheet to your workbook. This blank sheet will serve as the canvas for your navigation elements, acting as a foundational layer from which the navigation menu will operate. Next, take a look at your dashboard and locate the Objects section. Within this section, you'll find a variety of layout options. For our task, we're going to drag a horizontal container onto the canvas. This container is key because it will house all of your navigation buttons in a neat, side-by-side manner. Depending on your design preference, you can make this container floating, which allows it to be positioned either at the top or bottom of the dashboard, or you can tile it to fit within a larger layout. Think about where it would look best and rearrange accordingly. Now it's time to bring life to your navigation bar. From the same Objects section, drag navigation objects into the horizontal container you just created. You need to add one navigation object for each dashboard you want to link. This means if you have several dashboards you wish to connect through your navigation menu, you'll add an equal number of buttons. Once your navigation buttons are in place, right-click on each one and select Edit button. This opens a dialog where you can set where each button should navigate to, giving it a distinct purpose. Further customize the appearance through styling options, text buttons, and even tooltip text to provide additional context for users when they hover over each button. Tooltips can be particularly useful to guide users on what they can expect to see upon clicking each button. Finally, take a moment to customize and adjust the look and feel of the buttons as per the design of your dashboard. Ensure that the buttons are easily recognizable and the text is readable to enhance user experience. With all these elements fine-tuned, your navigation bar is ready to be showcased. And there you have it, a fully functional navigation bar menu in Tableau, designed to make traversing through your dashboards an intuitive and seamless experience. Enjoy crafting your next-level interactive dashboards.